Hello everyone, just arrived at Dollar Tree. How's the weather your way? All the Christmas stuff is gone and we're switched over now to spring. You can see some of the floral picks here, lavender. I did spot some really pretty flowers at another Dollar Tree. It was kind of like suede material, but what I'm most excited is to share all the Valentine's Day. How beautiful are these? Were they available last year and I missed them because I didn't see these? I have a feeling they're going to sell very fast. These bags are reusable bags. I think they're just lovely as gift bags or even just totes to carry things around. Now, not too many heavy things in it, but there's also the little red truck print. These floral or like rose makeup brushes are going to sell so fast. But I found them at another Dollar Tree and they're gone. These molds don't look super sturdy. If anyone's used them, maybe just let us know how they worked out. They have little kissing booth, the conversation hearts. The picks, they even have window clings. So this will all be Valentine's the next time I'm in, but I'll just go through some of the treats as well. Do you bake goodies for Valentine's Day? Because these containers are cute. For a view here of all the floral picks, but I'm going to get in close because I want to share these with you. These are tulips and they're almost like a fabric material. Do you see this? They're really well done. You can kind of fix them up so they're perkier. A few gift bags here that I wanted to take a look at. This one's really cute, but I had seen a nicer bag, much larger, and it had like, it wasn't a follow glitter. It was almost an embossed glitter. It was so beautiful, and of course now I can't find the darn bag. Just gone missing. Does that happen to you where you see something and you pass on it? This one here is cute too because the detailing, and then you don't see it ever again. Don't see it ever again. It's so frustrating. And they have pretty wedding bags here, I guess, or like shower bag, bridal shower and stuff. They're nice colors. I'm just gonna pick these up. There was a little one running around here. I still love the variety of bows this year. They have large and small and twirly, just everything. And I love, like, just the size of these are so pretty. And then this, I just love it. Who is on a purge organization kick right now. They have a great variety of different baskets and just a variety of items here at Dollar Tree if you are doing some organizing. Just a quick run down the toy section to see if anything is new, but I don't really think there's much here today. Maybe these? I haven't seen them in a while. I feel like they were out a couple years ago and now they're back. So I've been kind of visiting this stationery because I do see that they keep putting out new things. This is cute, right? With the foiling. But they've had some brand name journals over the last few weeks that showed up, which I think is by Southworth. And I want to keep my eyes peeled for anything else that might be new and branded. This is a new find at Dollar Tree. So these are invisible light pens. So cute. The avocado print. I think these are fairly new too. A brush marker and it's metallic. These gel pens, do they work nice? I don't see any of the Southworth, the fancy journals that I spotted a few weeks back. I was hoping maybe I'd get lucky. I'm also looking for the ProMarks hybrid pen. It's a black ink pen and it's so super nice, but I don't see any. Lots of stickers here if you're making your own cards. Good for scrapbooking, paper crafting, pocket letter making. I'll link a DIY pocket letter down below so you can see how I use stickers. See, these ones are great too because they're 3D. You can make a cute birthday card with these or use them in a paper layout. I thought these were new for Valentine's, but I think we see these all the time. These are new. The little Crayola reward stickers. So cute. So it looks like the next time I'm in, we'll see more Easter goodies. I love the way they've done these stickers. They're so detailed, so beautiful, but just not my style. I feel like this is a new set of stickers as well. Oh, these are awesome. If you're decorating or renovating like a kid's room that likes superheroes, so well done. Sometimes you really don't have to spend a lot. You know, you can frame those and then hang them, so at least you're not even sticking them directly to your wall. These are cute. I've been eyeing them for a while. Then I'm like, oh, I don't need them. I can make my own. I have so many little clothespins, the natural ones that I mean to do little embellishments with. These are so cute because you can use them as little charms. Lots of beads, some wood here. Dollar Tree always has a ton of glass to choose from. I love these. They're so vintage or retro, almost like the 80s vibe. And I think they'd be so well decorated on a table for even like a bridal shower or a baby shower. I keep hoping to find some of these large tool sheets because normally you see it in the smaller packages in different colors, but so far only the hot pink and light pink. This here is kind of like a flannel. It's not like these packs, so they're a little bit thicker. This is cute if you're doing like a bumblebee theme. They have some of the clear organizers here. It's the drawer system and the 3-pack. So these ones here are the old version, and the plastic is really different than the new version. This is way better quality. Same with these. They've changed the plastic, so it's got more of like it's more bendy. Before it was very brittle. Is this a name brand? I'm not familiar with it. If anyone knows it. And 2 pounds of cake mix in here. White cake mix. And if you've tried it, maybe let us know if it's any good. I would say that's not too bad for 2 pounds, right? So recently I do notice Dollar Tree has some new spices. The crushed red pepper, I never used to see it before. And it looks like they come in bigger bottles as well. We'll go through the toiletries. These face masks, there's the beep here, and I think there's another package out there. I'm not sure how they work, if anyone really enjoys them. Do they actually work around the eye area? And they have pure silk, and they have the Venus razors. One has 4, one has 2, both brand named razors. Lots of stuff in the lotion department, but I don't see any of the Indeed product, which I was finding at other Dollar Trees. Is Beauty Benefits a brand? I'm not sure if it's just here at Dollar Tree. And this one here, I don't even know what the brand is. The nail polishes sold so fast just a couple days ago. This was fully loaded with all the new nail polishes. So they have these nudes, smoky, shadow. LA Colors, LA Colors is from the Dollar Tree. And then they have the Sassy and Chic line. Oh, I wonder if this works nice. Ioni as well. They have so many new Ioni products. I keep spotting them everywhere. There's mascara, the eyelashes. Of course, we know the faux eyelashes. When I was in Air Cadets, we used to have to shine our shoes and polish them. And we used to use kiwi shoe polish and cloths to shine our combat boots. These are cute, right? These are actually metal. It's hard to come across metal signs. I love these. I just wish they didn't have the diamond on top so they weren't top heavy. I think this is a really great value. I'm going to grab this pack. They're little chocolate buttons. And I did spot some orange ones over here, which I'm going to grab. Do you like orange chocolate or mint chocolate? I love it. I'm going to grab one of these as well. And they're made by Waterbridge, which is a brand name company. I have the little heart foiled balloons as well. I'm walking to the till actually, and then these caught my attention in the aisle. Puffy pens. Do they work? Have you tried them? There's a variety of colors. And look, these are new as... I was thinking maybe they'd be good for wires, like around the cable of a phone. I hope you enjoyed walking through Dollar Tree with me today. I just want to say thank you so very much for allowing me to share with you. And until next time, everyone, bye for now. The memories, they all twist and turn. I bang my head against the wall. Yeah, somehow I just never learn. Nostalgia is my second nature.